Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video is a video request on the SuperBox S2PRO. A lot of you guys are saying that you're stuck on the startup menu and you can't get further than that. You guys can't get to reset it. There is a restore button here on the side. I found out the hard way as well. This button does not work. It doesn't do anything. So I reached out to SuperBox and they told me what to do. So you need your remote. This also works with their other models as well. So no matter which remote you have. So if you got, this is the S2, this is the S3, S4, S5. So what you want to look for is the period and the 0. Okay. Because we're using the S2, I'm going to use this remote. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the period and 0 5 times. Okay, so let's move this back. So now you're going to press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your box is going to reboot. Now you're getting the erasing symbol. Box is rebooting. Now we got the SuperBox symbol on the screen. And that's all to it. Okay guys, so hopefully this video helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.